Tourism Master Plan 2000 and Tourism Policy 2018. Master Plan 18 and Policy 18. गोंयकारांक आनी गोंयकारांक कांय फायदेशीर ही पॉलिसी न्ही. कारण BJP आमदारान क्रिटिसायज केल्या. But I don't know what is the whole thing. ते गव्हर्मेंटान ते क्रिटिसायज करता हांव ना कितें. But I want to tell you, KPMG तो रिपोर्ट केला, कट एंड पेस्ट पण केला. तो खंयचे गोंयकारांक फायदेशीर न्ही. क्रेडिबिलिटी काय ना तेका. ते क्वेश्चन्स कन्सल्टंट पण KPMGचो सोर्सीस पळय डेटा घेवपाचो त्यो कांय सोर्सीस सारके नाही. ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर कांय गेल नाय ते. इनकम कितें येता, हांव कितू इनकम येना तेंय तेंगे कांय ना. इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट प्लॅन पळय आहा तो ग्राउंड रियलिटी मरिनाज जावं कितें करूंक सोदता जावं कॅजिनोज शिफ्ट करूंक सोदता तेजे कांय से ना. आतां ग्रामसभा जावं पंचायतांक कॉन्फिडन्साक घेवपाचें, म्युनिसिपॅलिटी एरियाज म्युनिसिपॅलिटी घेवपाचें कांय कॉन्फिडन्साक घेवपाचें कांय ना. Infrastructure to be proposed, collateral and secondary infrastructure to be proposed. I am wondering what is this thing. Infrastructure but ha कित्याक न्ही करूं सोदता तें म्हाका खबर ना. विदाउट स्पेशल बॉडी कोण ऑटोनॉमस करूं सोदता. ऑटोनॉमस कित्याक? GTDC is already there. GTDC chief minister, tourism minister already chairman, already minister is on the chairman of the board. आता what I am saying is कित्याक आनी तेगे प्रॉपर्टीज आहाय ते शिफ्ट करपाक सोदताय ह्या बोर्डाचेर. कितें करपाक आहाय त्यो विकलो नाय म्हणून आहाय त्यो ऑलरेडी विकिल्यो. ऑलरेडी गोंयकारांकडे जमीन घेतलेल्यो त्यो एक्वायर केलेल्यो त्यो गेल ते टर्मान GTDCन विकिल्यो. Certainly Congress party is not in the assembly, not going to allow them to do what they want. This two-day assembly is a blot in the democracy, in the democratic fabric of Goa, at least in Goa. Manal Parrikar government used to always say that I'm the only fellow, I have got 50 days of assembly session. He's not going to complete even 15 days of assembly session. And they are arguing that 15 days of assembly session has been, that it was during the Congress time that we did 15 days. I want to remind Manal Parrikar that his government, that 15 days was, that 15 days Congress took the government head parliament as session only because of him only, because he had tried to destabilize the government at that time. Anyway, that's a different issue. But 15 days of session, he cannot compare it when he himself has said 50 days of session. He himself has said, I am proud to tell you that I have done 15 days of session. 50 days of session. See, we will meet again, we will discuss, we will not say anything. You never know. But it is a party decision. I will abide by the party decision. If party takes a call on whatever is to be done, we will follow we will toe the line.
Commit 20 days चलपा जाय.
Commit 15 days where commit at least 25 days, 24 days आहे. Budget session मध्ये 24 days आहे. You get six departments. Even during the 26 days, Manal Parrikar is to hijack it. What he is to do is major departments like this are revenue, home, forest, big portfolios like power, आणि कितें 500 big portfolios एक दिसा धरप. उलोवपाक 10 मिनिट मेळटा. तुका आनी टायम मेळना. तरी आसतना 3 दिसा सेशन is a direct blot on the fabric of democracy in Goa.